See, the present day Christianity is mainly based on the teachings of Paul. And the question which we should be asking the Christians, and in return, the Christians should be asking this to themselves, is that are they following the religion of Jesus or are they following the religion of Paul? Because if you read the New Testament, out of the 27 books of the New Testament, more than 50% are written by Paul. More than 14 books of the 27 books of the New Testament are written by Paul. And if you compare that with the teachings of Jesus Christ, when we read the Red Letter Bible, with the Christian scholarships, have gathered and then, tried to say that these were the teachings of Jesus Christ, which are still doubtful whether Jesus have actually said this or not. And if we analyze that, we see that less than 20%, and to be very precise, 18 to 20% are the teachings of Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him, in the New Testament. So the question which the Christians should be asking themselves is that are they following the religion of Jesus or are they following the religion of Paul? Because Jesus Christ, may peace be upon him, he was all about upholding to the law, and Paul said that the law has been nailed to the cross. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.